What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Auto Design, and today we're going to be installing the Nia rear spoiler for this Lexus RCF. With the purchase of the Nia Spoiler Wing, you'll receive an alcohol prep pad. So a few things about the Nia Spoiler Wing. One thing is you realize that we already applied the double-sided tape all across the edge, so it's ready to mount. Another thing you'll notice is it already comes painted, so you have the option to paint it to the color of your car, or in this case, we're painting it diffuser black, which has a lot of pearls and flakes, similar to your diffuser from your factory bumper. And lastly, it's made out of ABS plastic, so it's a very strong, durable piece that lasts you a lifetime. All right guys, so step one is you want to do is fold all the red protective backing off the double-sided tape, and this case you just do is get every single end of the tape and just fold it back just like so, and this is going to help us remove it once we apply it on the actual car. So just make sure you get every single end piece just like that. All right, so step one is you want to wipe down everything here just to get rid of any wax or anything that you might have here, or fingerprints, just to make sure you get a good, nice adhesive onto the wing. And this is when you get your alcohol pad, and just make sure you wipe it down real nice. All right guys, so once all the double-sided tape backing corners are folded back, this is, you gotta be sure to be able to grab them once you put it on. And this is the time to align it to your trunk. This is when you can move it back, forth, forward, just like so. Once the spoiler is aligned to the trunk, all you have to do is just make sure it's all the way in, and then this is when you pull the backing, just like so. I always recommend starting from the bottom or from the back, just so you make sure it's all the way in. Once that side is done, then you do the same thing for this side. Make sure it's aligned perfectly on, and then just start removing the backing. So when removing the other double-sided tape, you always have to make sure everything is aligned perfectly and it's not too high or too back before removing the double-sided tape backing. In this case, you see everything is nice and flush. Once all the back is removed and everything sits flush, this is when you start with the top. And the same thing, just start pulling on the backing. Once all the backing is off, that's when you start pushing it in to make sure it sticks on real nice. So once the double-sided tape is on, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RCF. Thanks again.